know the recipe of a successful marriage. Article body: every wedding starts with a hope for a life of togetherness, love, and caring. But some marriages do end up in friction and relationship, also sadly sometimes in divorce. Why is that the couples who happily decide to get married suddenly start hating each other and decide to part ways? Is it possible to have a happy, satisfied married life? Yes, it is possible. And if a marriage is strong and thriving, that is because two people have done their part. What is a recipe for a successful marriage? Is it love, understanding, trust, caring, or a mixture of all these put together in a pan called the married life? There are various ingredients cautiously mixed together that develop successful marriages. Let's examine these in the order of priority. Drop your ego. It is the first and foremost thing in a marriage. You cannot develop a relationship with a person with an inflated ego in which both are consistently striving to prove themselves superior to the other. Shun this ugly and useless ego to move forward in any relationship. Trust. This is the next most important ingredient in a marriage. Men and women have to trust each other. In other words, both individuals have to work upon to create the atmosphere of trust. It involves sharing your past lives and always speaking your heart out and never hiding anything from each other. Truthfulness with each other develops high-value trust amongst each other. It is very difficult to develop a relationship if the trust between husband and wife is lacking. Understanding each other. Understanding comes next in order of priority in any relationship. Once you both develop trust between each other, it will become very easy to understand each other's feelings and emotions hereafter. It will take some time, but slowly and steadily that understanding is developed, which will help you to build the relationship. Love. Once you both have developed trust and understanding, it is very natural for love to enter your relationship automatically. Love is byproduct of trust and understanding. People generally make a mistake of finding love in other person directly, which is really very difficult to develop without first developing trust and understanding. Sex. Trust me, it is such an exotic experience to make love to a person with whom you are actually in love. If love is not there, then you are just fulfilling your physical desires. Sex becomes a beautiful world in a relationship developed on the love. Finally, they say marriages are made in heaven, but if your marriage is a heap of expectations from other person without the ingredients mentioned above, then you are bound to be disappointed. But if your marriage is egoless and based on trust, understanding and love, then everything would be a bliss.